Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Netflix cannot be used in this location on your iPhone. Now, if you're not being able to use Netflix from a certain location, or the error is or a pop-up is coming by saying you cannot use Netflix on this certain location, then you need to simply follow the steps on in the video to fix it. So to begin with the video, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel so that you'll get more informative video like this. Now to begin, if you try to open Netflix and if the pop-up comes by saying you cannot load the Netflix in this region, then you need to simply go back and install a VPN or anything which will help you to connect to other IP address on a device. So currently I'm installing a VPN. So after doing that, you need to simply click on the option of connect to the VPN. So it may be connected to any random location. So it has been connected to Germany for right now. So after doing that, you need to open Netflix on a device and you need to sign in. And to sign in, you need to enter your email or phone number, and you need to enter the correct password to your account. So after that, click on the option of sign in. So after doing that, you'll be able to use the Netflix from a different IP address, and the error or a pop-up like Netflix cannot be used in this region may not appear on your iPhone again. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then there may be error on your phone too. So you need to simply restart your device, and to do so, you need to simply long press on the power button and volume up button at the same time. A screen like this will appear. So click on the option of swipe towards the right by clicking on it to power off, or you may also cancel it if you don't like to do it. So that's it. That's how you can fix Netflix cannot be used in this location on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.